Love, space explosions, global warming. Our blue planet is going through so much. And who is responsible for all this? We humans. But do you know how much time it took for our beautiful planet to become what it is today? Do you know how many years of hard work went into creating this planet, which is so precious to us? Come, today we will journey back in time. From the very beginning, we will trace the journey from a mere piece of rock to a planet teeming with life. Come, let's go back in time, a little further back. Approximately 4.6 billion years ago, our solar system and a newborn star surrounded by dust and rocks. Here there is no trace of our Earth. We've gone a little too far back in time. The process of Earth's formation hasn't even begun yet. But its foundation is ready. These rocks and dust are now joining together due to gravity. After many millions of years, they have now turned into a giant rock ball. But we cannot call it Earth because now it is incredibly hot. It's like today's Venus. Approximately 4.6 billion years ago, the surface of the Earth was completely covered in molten lava. Don't even try to put your foot down by mistake, otherwise you won't have a foot to keep again. The temperature of the Earth's surface was approximately 1200 degrees Celsius. That is, this place was no less than hell right now. There was no sign of oxygen here. Asteroids were continuously raining down on the Earth, creating lava rivers many kilometers long on the surface. And these asteroids weren't far away. They were neighbors of the Earth, constantly colliding with it. Look up. This is a new planet, Theia, moving towards us, towards Earth, at a speed of about 15 kilometers per second. That's 20 times faster than the speed of a bullet. We have to welcome it, because of this, our beautiful moon will be created. Now our Earth is surrounded by countless pieces of rock. There are so many pieces of rock here that even near our Earth right now, it has become a ring like Saturn's, divided into two parts. The first ring is between today's Earth and the moon, and the second is behind the moon. Asteroids are continuously raining on the Earth from this ring, but the real rain of asteroids hasn't started yet. Now this ring will gradually turn into a 3,000 kilometer wide round sphere due to gravity. And here we are witnessing the birth of our moon. This is our moon. There are no blemishes on it right now, and it is now very close to our Earth, which is why we are seeing it so large. Its surface is still completely made of hot lava, and because it is so close, it is continuously having a gravitational effect on the Earth. About 3 million years later, something is going to happen in our solar system. Something you probably know about. The gas giants of our solar system are changing their orbits, and because of this change, a gravitational mess is being created between the asteroids and comets of the solar system, which is pushing those asteroids and comets into the inner part of the solar system, directly towards Mars, Venus, Mercury, and our Earth. This is the time when our moon is going to get its recognizable marks due to these asteroids. This period is called the Late Heavy Bombardment. By the way, our moon was also very hot at this time. It was shining like a big lantern in the sky, and it was so close to the Earth that its gravitational effect was 25 times more powerful than our Earth's today. One day on our Earth was not 24 hours, but only 6 hours. And because of this, the waves in the lava rivers of the Earth were 20 times higher than today's ocean waves. But may our moon be blessed, which will gradually move away from our Earth along with time. And due to this, the rotation of the Earth will begin to slow down, and the lava rivers will begin to cool down, which will create the surface of the Earth. At this time, this shiny moon in the sky is not the only thing that will attract your attention. In fact, now you will see two very shiny stars in the sky, but they are not actually stars. They are actually planets, Jupiter and Saturn. The inner planets of the solar system, like our Earth, Venus, Mercury, Mars, these are all rocky planets, and they cannot stay in the form of molten lava for a long time. But Jupiter and Saturn are actually gas giants, which can stay hot for a long time. At this time of Earth's birth, Jupiter's temperature was 5,000 degrees Celsius, and Saturn's temperature was 3,000 degrees Celsius. That means that Jupiter was more shiny than our sun at that time. As scientists say, stars get more shiny with their life. So at that time, our sun was 30% less shiny than today. But in the long term of 4 billion years, these planets will also gradually cool down. Let's go back to our Earth. There is only one gas in the atmosphere of the Earth: methane. Don't even breathe it in by mistake, otherwise you will die in a few minutes. During the late heavy bombardment, continuous comets had also rained down on the Earth, which brought water to the Earth. This water created seas on the Earth. The Earth was now surrounded by the sea from all sides, but there was no land to set foot on here, and no oxygen to breathe. Our Earth has become worthy of being called Earth to some extent, but there is still no seed of life in it. What happened after this, and how did life start on Earth?